Today, we're looking at the most reliable luxury cars ever made, the ones mechanics trust, owners love, and buyers never regret. If you want luxury that lasts for years without breaking the bank, these models are the top picks. Let's begin. Few luxury cars deliver long-term comfort and reliability the way the 2007 Lexus ES350 does. This model became famous for offering a smooth, quiet ride that feels far more expensive than it actually is. It's the kind of sedan you drive once and instantly understand why so many owners keep theirs for over a decade. Power comes from the legendary 3.5-liter V6, an engine known by mechanics for hitting 250,000 to 300,000 miles with ease. It starts every morning without drama, runs quietly, and barely asks for anything more than basic maintenance. For anyone who wants luxury without repair headaches, this engine alone makes the ES350 a top pick. Inside, the ES wraps you in a calm, comfortable environment. Soft leather seats, real wood trim, and excellent sound insulation create a peaceful driving experience. Road noise stays outside, bumps are softened by the suspension, and everything about the car feels designed to help you relax. Even after many years on the road, the interior still holds up beautifully. Driving the ES350 feels effortless. The steering is light, the suspension is silky, and the power delivery is smooth instead of aggressive. This sedan was built for comfort, not racing. And it absolutely succeeds. For commuters, families, older drivers, or anyone who values a quiet daily experience, the ES350 is pure perfection. Add in low maintenance costs, strong resale value, and a track record of exceptional durability, and you get one of the most regret-free luxury cars ever made. The 2007 ES350 is simply a smart, comfortable, dependable choice, and it continues to earn its reputation year after year. Reliability, comfort, and practicality rarely come together perfectly in one luxury SUV, but the 2010 Acura MDX gets amazingly close. This model became one of the most trusted luxury family SUVs in America, thanks to its strong V6 engine, durable transmission, and Honda-level build quality hiding inside a premium package. Power comes from Acura's 3.7-liter V6, and engine mechanics constantly praise for its durability. Owners regularly hit 250,000 miles or more with only routine servicing. It's smooth, strong, and ready for anything, whether that's daily commuting or long highway trips with the whole family on board. And because it's Honda engineering at its core, repair costs stay far lower than rival luxury brands. Inside, the MDX feels upscale without being fragile. Leather seats, a solid dashboard, simple controls, and a practical layout make it a luxury SUV you can actually use every day. There's plenty of space for passengers, and the third row, unlike many competitors, is genuinely usable. Families especially love how comfortable and versatile the interior is. Driving the MDX delivers a surprisingly sporty feel for a 7-seat SUV. The handling is confident, the steering is precise, and the ride stays stable even on rough pavement. It's a luxury family hauler that doesn't feel heavy or clumsy behind the wheel. Many owners say it drives smaller than it looks, and that's a good thing. Safety is another highlight, with Acura loading the MDX with advanced features for its time. Combined with strong build quality, it remains a very safe choice even today. For anyone wanting a luxury SUV that blends comfort, longevity, practicality, and low ownership costs, the 2010 Acura MDX is an easy recommendation. It's reliable, refined, and built to stay strong long after others give up. Some luxury SUVs impress you with features, others impress you with comfort. But the Lexus GX 470 does something even better. It refuses to break. This V8-powered machine earned its reputation as one of the toughest luxury vehicles ever built, and mechanics around the world still call it a tank in a tuxedo. Powered by the legendary 4.7-liter V8, the GX 470 delivers smooth, effortless performance and a durability record almost nothing else can match. Hitting 300,000 miles isn't impressive for this engine, it's expected. Many owners push far beyond that with simple maintenance, and the engine just keeps going like it was built yesterday. Inside, the GX brings full luxury, soft leather, real wood trim, and a cabin that stays quiet even on rough roads. The seats are incredibly comfortable, and the build quality feels solid in a way modern SUVs struggle to match. Everything is over-engineered, from the buttons to the suspension components. Where the GX truly separates itself from the competition is capability. This SUV can handle city driving effortlessly, but when conditions get rough, it becomes unstoppable. Mud, rocks, floods, bad roads. The GX470 treats them like tiny inconveniences. That's why it's so popular in regions with challenging terrain, and why American owners love using it for road trips and off-road adventures. Even with all this strength, the GX stays surprisingly low maintenance. Parts are easy to find, major failures are rare, and the V8 is known for being extremely reliable. It's one of the few luxury SUVs you can trust for decades, not just years. For drivers wanting comfort, capability, and long-term dependability in one package, the GX470 remains one of the smartest luxury SUV purchases ever made. Every Mercedes fan knows there's one generation that mechanics actually trust, and that's the E350 from the late 2000s. This model represents one of the last truly durable eras of Mercedes engineering, combining classic luxury with a level of reliability the newer models sometimes struggle to match. Under the hood sits the 3.5-liter V6, an engine praised for being smooth, strong, and far more dependable than many of Mercedes' more complicated powertrains. Owners regularly reach 200,000 miles and beyond, and mechanics often say the same thing. If you want a used Mercedes that won't drain your wallet, get the E350. It starts every morning without hesitation and delivers consistent performance year after year. Inside, the E350 feels exactly like what people expect from a luxury German sedan. High-quality materials, supportive seats, elegant wood trim, and a sense of solidity that's rare even today. Close the door, and you hear that signature Mercedes thunk. A sound that tells you this car was built with real craftsmanship. On the road, the E350 balances comfort and precision beautifully. The suspension soaks up bumps with ease, the steering feels confident, and the V6 offers smooth, responsive acceleration. It's a car that feels planted on the highway and refined in the city, making it a fantastic daily driver for anyone who loves quiet, composed luxury. What truly sets this model apart is that it avoids many of the reliability issues found in later Mercedes vehicles. Fewer electronics, simpler systems, and better build quality all contribute to long-term dependability. Routine maintenance keeps it healthy, and major failures are much less common compared to similar luxury cars from the same era. For drivers who want a real Mercedes experience, luxury, style, road presence, without the worry of constant repairs, the 2009 E350 is one of the smartest choices you can make. It brings together comfort, durability, and timeless design in a way very few luxury sedans ever have. Some luxury SUVs stand out because of their style, others because of their performance. The Infiniti FX35 stands out because it delivers both while staying incredibly reliable. Powered by Nissan's legendary VQ35 engine, this SUV regularly hits 250,000 to 300,000 miles with ease. And mechanics often say it's one of the toughest luxury crossovers of its era. The FX35 drives more like a sporty sedan than a traditional SUV. The steering is sharp, the suspension is firm and responsive, and the V6 engine sounds amazing when you push it. Yet despite its performance feel, the FX remains low maintenance and surprisingly affordable to keep on the road. Inside, the cabin feels premium and driver-focused. The seats are supportive, the visibility is great, and the materials have aged better than many European rivals. It's a luxury SUV that still feels modern even today. For anyone wanting a stylish, dependable, and fun-to-drive luxury SUV that doesn't break the bank, the 2006 FX35 is a pick you'll never regret.